My name is Shashank. I am the Managing Director of the FFG MAG India entity. I've been working with the FFG group for the last 18 years. FFG is one of the world's leading machine tool conglomerate with a history of more than 225 years and very good global presence across Europe, in the United States, as well as in Asia, covering Japan, Korea, China, and India. We are a unique solution provider to all the manufacturing industry, and we have a bouquet of technologies which covers the entire requirements of this manufacturing industry with coverage of all the technologies that are necessary. I think being a leading machine tool company, it's become very evident that we have to continually innovate. So here at our IMTEX booth, we have a very good display of some new technologies. We present the high speed and high precision, the SPEC 500 new generation of horizontal machining centers, which is compatible for full 5-axis simultaneous machining. The speeds and feeds of the machines have been increased drastically, including their accelerations, because customers would like to produce a very high volume with lesser number of machines, as well as combine most of the setups into one machine. This reduces the number of machines and the lines that customers actually require. In addition to this, for the small and medium components, we've also launched a new range of twin spindle turning, twin spindle and twin turret turning machines, as well as twin spindle vertical machining centers, where we have 3 patents on these machines with full axis compensation on all the 3 axes. Well, I think we are known to be a full solution provider. So when we look at a customer's manufacturing needs, we are kind of covering not only the metal cutting operations, but we are looking at the total solution with innovation in R&D in terms of our machines, for sure, that I already explained earlier. But in addition, we are also looking at a lot of new developments in terms of improving the productivity of our customers in terms of digital solutions that are able to improve the performance of the equipment itself. We also have highly energy efficient features of the complete line, and we give the complete monitoring of the entire manufacturing system on a platter to the customer, so they have exactly the feedback to improve the productivity of their entire manufacturing solution. So this has been one of our focus. There is also a lot of discussion worldwide about near net shape components. So considering a lot of sustainability issues, which we are expected to support our end customers with. And there is going to be a lot of reduction in machining in the coming years. We have also tried to integrate additive manufacturing processes like 3D metal printing and so on, integrated with the flexible manufacturing systems, so that this is kind of giving a near net shape object for the future years to come. So I think a lot of innovation is happening in this direction, as well as combining multiple operations into individual single machines that will give the customers a big advantage of precision as well as high accuracies. Right. So from an end customer perspective, I think the majority of the business for the group still continues to remain on the automotive. However, in the recent years, I think there is an immense investment that is going on in the railways, from a rolling stock as well as other components, including bogie frames, engines and so on. So we are very heavily focused on the railway segment. Energy is also giving us a lot of opportunity for new developments. Medical equipment is catching up very fast, as well as 3C components. So these are mainly the areas of focus. From a geographical coverage, I think we are heavily, right now, the most important markets of focus for us are probably India, the United States for investments as well, and China to a large extent. The other markets are still going a little slow because they are trying to transition from, let's say, the traditional automotive to the electric mobility, and now probably coming back with the hybrid technology. So probably they need a little more time to come up with their volume decisions. So I think Indian market itself has been extremely promising, and we've received an excellent response over the last 3 years. The company is growing at almost 30% here in India, which is really encouraging. So we had already set up a state-of-art facility in 2019, which could take care of the volumes till now. But now we are very glad to again inform that we are also going with our phase 2 expansion, which is kind of going to help us in doubling the existing capacity of machines that we can produce here in India itself. So very promising plans for the Indian market from the FFG group side. Thank you.